Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial for how to make a macrame feather or leaf. The materials you will need include 3mm twisted cotton string, fabric glue, a pet brush and comb, scissors, and felt. Please see the description for details on where I purchased my items. We will start by cutting the felt. The felt will be used as a backing for your feather. It holds the feather's shape when you hang it on the wall. Cut your felt to your desired size. If you are interested in creating several feathers, I would recommend cutting yourself a template that can be used to measure out your felt. My template is 13 inches or 33 centimeters long and 7¼ inches or 19 centimeters wide at its widest point. This size of a template creates a finished feather that is 15 inches or 38 centimeters long and 8 inches or 21 centimeters wide. During this video, I will speed up a few sections such as when I cut the felt and brush out the string. If you would like to view these sections in real time, please click the settings option at the bottom right of the screen, click speed, and click 0.25. Next, we will cut the twisted string to create the feather. Cut a piece of string that is 36 inches or 92 centimeters long. This piece of rope will run along the center of your feather. Fold it in half and tie a double knot at the top. Cut 32 pieces of rope, each piece is 17 inches or 43 centimeters long. Attach these pieces of rope to your centerpiece using cow hitch knots. A cow hitch knot is the reverse of a lark's head knot. If you were to create a lark's head knot and then flip your work over, you would see a cow hitch knot. Attach one piece on the left and then one piece on the right, and so on. Repeat this process until you've attached all 32 pieces of rope. Here's what it will look like over top of the felt. I like to leave an inch or so of string on each side so that you cannot see the felt from the front. With the two middle strands, tie a double knot at the bottom of your work. Remove the felt from the back and brush out your string. I am going to change to another board behind my work so that I don't scratch up this board when I brush out my string. Using your pet brush, brush out your string. I like to go back over the string with a fine comb afterwards to make sure that the string is completely brushed out and does not curl. You might find some extra cotton on your brush. That is normal, just get rid of it before you start brushing again. Flip your work around and brush out the other side. Decide which side of the feather you want to be the front of your work. We will add felt to the other side of your work. I will use this side as the front of my work. Grab your glue and add glue to the center piece of your feather. Add glue to your felt as well. Flip your work over and add a little extra glue to the top. Flip your work back over and cut along the sides of your work. Follow your felt template. My regular scissors are a bit dull, so I used my sewing scissors. I would recommend a sharp pair of regular scissors, but sewing scissors will work as well. Cut the other side and then flip your work over for final trimmings. Comb the front strands to make sure it is all straight and then cut where necessary. I like to fluff my feather up a little bit to give it a little bit more depth. Thanks so much for watching. Please check out the description as I have listed a few extra resources for you there, such as a link to a more in-depth tutorial on how to tie the knot used in this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials.